Alright guys, today I have a video.
Oh shit.
What happened?
Today I have a video. No shit.
And I got stuck. I was gonna say exciting video, but this video
It's not exciting.
is not exciting, so I have a video, guys. That's my wife in the background making fun of me. Alright, so today's video is gonna be about financial freedom, right? The American dream, of any country actually. It's just the dream right there, is financial freedom. And a lot of people feel you save your way to financial freedom by being frugal, saving every penny you can, and you manage your spending and you count your pennies, and that's how you get financial freedom. I disagree with that. I believe that's part of the equation, is you don't want to misspend your money. You live within your means, stay within your financial lane. But at the same time, there's another part of that equation that has so much more weight, so much more value on obtaining financial freedom. Now, let me take you over here and let me take you to that second part of the equation. Alright guys, so come with me. Don't mind my hat here. Alright guys, now here I want to show you how the truly main step of financial freedom is not being frugal. You should be working towards increasing your income. That should be the ultimate goal. Increase your income, and obtaining your goal of financial freedom is going to be so much easier. Alright, so here I have an example. An individual making 50K versus an individual making 100K. And just off the bat, this is the standard percentage of your salary, is what experts believe of what we should spend. No more than 35% towards housing, no more than 50% towards transportation, at least 10% for savings, and then the rest goes towards living costs, right? I kind of did like a little graph over here. Let me see. Show you guys. Now, as you can see, somebody who makes 50K could only save 5K. Somebody who makes 100K can save 10K. You're able to save double, which means you obtain your goal twice as fast. But here's the kicker. Here's where things get interesting. As you make more money, your housing costs doesn't have to increase at the same percentage, right? I don't need to double my housing costs when I double my salary. No. I could lower that down a little bit. I don't need to spend $35,000 a year in a house. I can spend 30. Transportation costs $7,500 a year. I don't need to double that and spend 15K. I can lower that. Right? Let's get a nicer car, but I don't need a Rolls Royce. I don't need the Mercedes S-Class. I could get top of the line Toyota. I could get Tesla Model 3. You don't need to go to the extreme, right? Living costs. I was spending 20K before. I don't need to double my living costs, right? I don't need to go to twice as many restaurants. I don't need to take twice as many vacations or spend twice as much on a vacation. No, like, you could increase it, but you don't have to double everything. You could just increase it a little bit. Live a little bit more, but don't go to the extreme, guys. And that's another point I want to bring up. That's called living high. As your salary increases, individuals have a tendency to increase their lifestyle. And that's a trap. So before you know it, you're spending twice as much on everything, and you kind of end up in the same boat where you're still struggling financially, and then you're looking for the next raise and the next opportunity to make more money. Is you could just scale things back a little bit. As you make more money, don't increase it to the same percentage of your salary. You double your salary, don't double your lifestyle. Increase your lifestyle like 30-40%, but don't double it. Alright guys, so our living costs, we don't need to spend double. Alright, let's try 30%, make the numbers easy. We're spending 10K more, but we're not spending double, which means our savings, we're able to save 30% now. And look at that, guys. By doubling our salary, and we're spending more money, we're enjoying more things with our new salary, right? We have a nicer house, we have a nicer car, we're spending more money on living costs, vacation, food, dining, just our average everyday living costs that we do. We're able to save $25,000 more. How insane is that? 25K in 4 years, that's 100K. That's a lot of money. I want 100K right now. Shit. So, just want to show you that frugal, part of the equation, but the main part, increase your income. That's how you get there. That's how you obtain financial freedom. But you guys are going to be saying, I could just save more money on this end. There's no way you're going to be able to save 30K and then only have $20,000 left for housing, transportation, and living costs. It's not going to work. You won't make ends meet. Now you can, let's try the same percentages over here, right? So let's say 30% towards housing, 10% towards living, 10% towards transportation, 30% towards living, and 30% towards savings. It's 15K, it's still half. And $5,000 a year on transportation costs, that's a rust bucket, basically. I don't know what that is. That's like, that has to be a paid off car, low maintenance, and then you're just paying insurance. So it's possible, but ideally, the everyday majority of people, that won't cut it. 15K a year on housing. It's what? Let's see what that mortgage is. $1,250 per month. That's doable. That's actually possible. I'm actually spending less than that right now on my rent. And living costs, 15K. Divide that by 12. Oh, $1,250 a month. Yeah, it's doable, but your lifestyle is gonna diminish. And if you wanna be able to live and enjoy life and save more money, you should increase your income, guys. So, as you can see, being frugal is very important for financial freedom. What's more important is being able to increase your income and being able to save so much more of your money towards your goal of financial freedom. The dream. That is the dream right there, guys. First, I want to say cheers. This was iced coffee, but now it's like icy water with coffee. I still drink it though. I don't care. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Support the channel. And till next time, take care. Crazy hat hit.